In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Calendar event through WhatsApp. This is a simple yet effective way to ensure that everyone stays on the same page and has all the details they need for upcoming events, be it a meeting, a social gathering, or any important occasion you've planned. Let's dive right into it. First off, you'll need to head over to Google Calendar. You can navigate there by simply typing Google Calendar into your browser's search bar or directly entering the URL if you have it bookmarked. Once you're in your calendar view, the next step is to locate the event you want to share. Scroll through your events, and when you found the event you're looking for, click on it to bring up the event details. When you click on the event, a pop-up window will appear with all your event's information. Now in this pop-up, you're going to need to click on the Edit button, which is represented by a pencil icon. This will take you to the full event details page where you can make changes and access more options. Once you are on the event page, look towards the top for the More Actions menu. It's usually denoted by 3 dots. This menu provides additional functions related to your event. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select the option that says Publish Event. Choosing this option will give you the necessary tools to share your event beyond Google Calendar. After selecting Publish Event, you'll see some different sharing options. Here, you will be presented with a link specifically for your event. You can copy this link simply by highlighting it and using a right-click to select Copy, or you might find a direct copy button to make things even easier. This link allows anyone who receives it to view the event details, and they can add it to their own Google Calendar if they choose. Once you've successfully copied the link, you can close that window. Now it's time to open WhatsApp. Go to your desired chat or group where you want to share this event. In the chat, simply paste the link you just copied. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. And there you have it. All the recipients will now see the link and can click it to view the event details. This is a great trick to ensure everyone has access to the event information and can quickly sync it with their calendars. This tutorial provides a simple yet effective method to ensure everyone you need is informed about your important events. Thank you for joining me, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks in our upcoming videos.